Nobody can answer that questions. Depend on your perspective, right? Depend on your perspective, because even our founding father have no clue, right? So I think in Confucius there always room for judgment. Okay, there have to be judgment in the end, and the judgment is really out of what? What is your intention of that making the judgment? Is it kindness or what? So I think in Confucius' teaching is, especially the one after him, like Mencius, okay? If there's a conflict, he always asks the question, is this deed, is this act out of kindness or what? What are your basic motive to choose one over the other? I think the fundamental is really kindness.
So it would say, it would tell you to choose like good morality over the loyalty.
Right, right. Which one more? Yeah.
10 minutes left.
Okay. Sure.
I was wondering if you could talk a little bit about Wu Wei.
Okay. Okay. Wu Wei is Taoism.
Okay, I wasn't sure. Does that have any relation at all?
With Confucius?
Yeah.
Yes, because Confucius is, when he was young, the Analect really reflect his early philosophy as a young man.
Mm-hmm.
But as he reached 50, he started to study Taoism. Okay, Tao, not Tao necessarily. Taoism is a religion, but at the time there's no Taoism. Taoism is much later. Okay, but when he was age 50, he started to study the Tao, which is basically the yin-yang theory, the yin and yang theory. And then Wu Wei is basically, the way we interpret in the West is not necessarily appropriate. Wu Wei means, in English, is just doing nothing, right? Which is incorrect interpretation of that phrase. Wu means nothing. Wei means doing. So doing nothing. I mean that's that's the way you combine. But it should be two concepts. Wu means nothing, no preconceived notion. That's Wu. And then so it's a way of decision making and a way of looking at things and the world. So the Wu Wei, the two words means when you look at the world, when you try to do something, first you don't need to have any preconceived notion. You should not have any stereotype. That's Wu, nothing. Once you do not have any stereotype, only preconception of certain things, then you try to do the best for that issue, for that event, and that's doing. So Wu Wei is not doing nothing. It's just when you treat something, okay, when you make a decision, first of all you need to have no preconceived notion of that particular issues. When you have an open mind, and then you can take any other inputs, and then consider all the balances. And then once you come to that conclusion, then you take the action. You make the decision to do it, then do it to the full extent. And that's Wu Wei. That's what it means. It's not doing nothing. Okay. Am I making sense? Yeah. So I think in the so basically the notion of Wu Wei is just follow the nature. Follow the nature, because when you do not have preoccupied notions, then of course you see what is appropriate for that environment to do, right? So you follow that nature and then do the things that you should do, and that's Wu Wei. Okay. So I think at the age of 50, I think Confucius become more lean towards the Tao, okay, rather than certain, because in his early age he's more strict to the moral principle. But those moral principles are sometimes too rigid, so he becomes more flexible when he gets older, which is odd.